Kateschwanke and welcome back to my channel for another fun review. Today I'm going to be reviewing and packing up the JuJuBe Midi backpack in the brand new linen color. It is absolutely stunning. I love it so much. The color is very much a natural linen type of color, which I love. In fact, it actually matches my house. And as I mentioned in my last video, I felt that this was very farmhouse style. So I am so excited to be taking this out and about these days, especially packed with all of my new tokidoki Kawaii Carnival print because it just looks so pretty inside of this bag. And I can't wait to unpack this for you guys and show you how I have it packed up. I'm also doing this video in collaboration with Gator Mom Reviews on YouTube, and I'm going to link her video down below in the description. You guys can go check out her video after you see mine and see how she packs hers up because we pack very differently these days. Today I have my JuJuBe Midi backpack packed up for myself and my 3-year-old who is potty trained. This bag is just the right size for us. I feel like it just holds everything we need and it packs so well. The new Chromatics and Kawaii Carnival are still available on the website, and I would love if you guys would shop JuJuBe with me. I will leave my affiliate link down in the description below for you. You guys can shop through that anytime. Let's go ahead and get started. I want to show you this gorgeous rose gold hardware. I feel like it's more of a rose gold anyways. I'm not 100% sure because when I first unboxed it, I thought it was a brushed gold. But now it just feels more rose gold to me. It's super subtle and very, very, very pretty on this particular style. I love the Chromatics collection in these beautiful colors. So you have a rose gold brushed logo plate here with the JuJuBe logo. You have rose gold zippers and also pulls up here as well. You have a double zipper opening on the very top here. You can see it. This is a nice wide bag with, like I said, a double zipper opening. It opens up about halfway down the bag here. You also have very nice pockets on the sides that are elastic. One on each side. As you can see, they can hold a pretty good sized bottle. You have a grab handle on top here. It is a nylon webbed strap, which is kind of doubled over so that it makes it easier to grab and go out of your car. On the very back, look at how pretty these straps are. And I'm sure you guys are already thinking, oh my gosh, this bag is gonna get so dirty so fast. And you know what? You're probably right. It probably will. There's something about cream and white and linen colors like this that just attract dirt, and it feels like you can just never keep them clean. But luckily for us, JuJuBe is machine washable. And if you guys need tips and tricks for that, I will link my video here for how to wash JuJuBe properly. And you should be able to do that without any issues with this bag. So fear not, you guys can make this work. I'm definitely going to make it work. You all know I have 3 boys, so it's gonna be a challenge, but I think that I'm gonna be able to make it work. So also I did want to mention, one of the things I like about these types of straps is that you don't have any slack down here that hangs down. It just kind of loops back. So this is a great bag for kids going to school. It's very adjustable. It's also great for adults. So for people like me, I'm 5'2", and as you guys saw on the body portion of this video, this is a mid-sized bag, hence the name Midi backpack. So it's just right for me. I love it. So let's go ahead and get started on the unpacking. As I mentioned, I have this bag packed up with the new Kawaii Carnival as well as the new water and linen Chromatics. And I wanted to mention the blush Chromatics also looks amazing with this bag. So let's go ahead and start with the pockets on the sides here. On this side here, I have my iPhone 11 Max Pro. It was a great fit down, up, and down in that pocket there. On the other side here, I have my Swell bottle. This is a 17-ounce Swell bottle in the blonde wood color. And I thought this color looked really pretty with the linen. So that is for me. That's all I had in the outside pockets there. Let's go ahead and go through the inside pocket here. Nice smooth zippers, which I love. So in here, this is how I have the very front pocket packed up. I have my wallet over here. I'm gonna go ahead and pull that out. So this is my Kate Spade Cara wallet. You guys always seem to really love this when I pull it out. I also have my JuJuBe pen hanging out on the side there because I found that that's actually a really great place for me to keep that. Next to that, I actually have 2 small set pieces. So this is a decent sized pocket. It holds just the necessities and I love that. So in the very front here, I have a linen small set piece. And in here I actually have my masks. So I have a My Kitsch one here for myself. And then I have an Amazon Kids one here for my son. Next to that, I have the Kawaii Carnival set piece here, and I love it. It is so cute. I actually really like this print placement with moths, and this is the back. So cute. This print is like my favorite. I love it. So let's go ahead and jump on the inside there. I have some hand cream, chapstick, a little Donatella mirror, and I also have a folding hairbrush down in there. So it's just some things for myself. That's all that I had in that front pocket there. There's no zippers or anything in this pocket, you guys, so it's basically just a nice open pocket that you can just throw whatever in there. And I think even a full-size wallet could fit down in there. So that is the outside. Let's go ahead and jump onto the inside. Real quick, I wanted to show you this too. JuJuBe recently sent this to me, and I loved it so much I had to add it to my bag. This is a rose gold JuJuBe star, and it just clips right on there. I'm not sure if these are available for purchase or not, but it was just a really sweet little gift that they sent me. So I wanted to include it because it looks really pretty on this bag. So let's go ahead and jump onto the inside. So this is the top of the midi, and as you can see, it has that double zipper opening I talked about. Let's go ahead and open it up. It has nice smooth zippers that go halfway down the bag. So let's go ahead and pull this back so you guys can see just a little bit better. It has that gorgeous gold shimmery lining. I think it looks so good with this color. Now this bag has a back zippered pocket here, a larger elastic pocket here, two smaller elastic pockets in the bottom, and the rest of it is just open space. So you can just organize however you want, but I love that it has so many pockets. It keeps everything in its own section, so I love that. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna start with this back pocket here. In here I have my keys. That's all that I had back there, but it's a decent sized pocket. I'll show you guys, that's how far down on my hand it goes. In this back pocket here, I have a wet bag. This is by Baby Olay, and it's a decent sized one, but this will work really well in case there's an emergency and somebody has an accident or falls in a puddle. It has happened. So I like to have one of those on hand just in case. Also next to that, I have a pack of wipes. I have a wipe pouch here in the Donatella print, and I use wipes for all kinds of things. So whether I have a baby or not, or just a toddler with me, or even just myself, I like to have some wipes on hand. So that's all I had in that back pocket there, but this would also be a great place for a change pad. In the front pockets here, I have a swell bottle. This is a 9-ounce swell bottle. And next to that, in the other pocket there, I have the water Chromatics color. I love this color so much, so pretty. In here I have a mini med kit, so I have some nail clippers, gauze, band-aids, Advil, and things like that in there. Now on the very top here, I actually had 2 medium set pieces like this. It fits really, really great on the top here. So I'm gonna go through this one first. This is the linen medium set piece. In here I just have some robot number toys. I've shown you guys these in videos before. They're really awesome. They transform into little robots. I'm terrible at it though, so I will let you guys look that up. I will leave a link below for you guys to check it out, but these are awesome. They keep my son super busy, so I highly recommend them. I have numbers 1 through 9 or 10, I think. In my other medium set piece, this is the Kawaii Carnival, super cute. I have lots of snacks. So I have some applesauce, some mixed nuts for me, granola bar, yogurt raisins, and fruit snacks for my son. The last thing to go through is my Be Quick. And this, real quick, I wanted to show you guys the amount of space that you get in this bag. I mean, I fit a whole bunch of things in there, but this just holds so much. It's great. So the last thing to go through is my JuJuBe Be Quick and Kawaii Carnival. Front, back. I love that Ferris wheel, it's so cute. So in here, I just have a change of clothes for my son. I have a pair of socks down in there, a pair of pants, a long sleeve t-shirt, and some underwear. So that is all that I have in my bag, but it works so great for us, you guys. I love it. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and definitely subscribe to my channel while you're here if you're new. And don't forget to check out Gator Mom Reviews on YouTube and see how she packs up the midi as well. Thanks for watching.